Hey guys, today I'm going to be rating multiple tornadoes by spin rate and death velocity, I'd say, like how close you would be to death. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with EF1s, and we're going to work our way up. EF1. Okay. So, June 17th, 1978. June 17th, 1938. Okay, this works. Okay, so on June 17th, 1882, one of the deadliest tornadoes in Iowa has. Hold on. There's no. Okay, so this is an EF1 tornado. It's not bad, but it's not good. So, tornado damage. Well, look, as I said, it's not bad, but it's not good. This is some damage one EF1 could do. Trust me, we'll have better ones in this video. But yeah, that's all for the EF1. Oh, wait. Spin. Speeds. So, EF1 can get up to 86 to 110 miles an hour. I mean, that's pretty, solid. Okay, wait, I gotta do something. This is how I do on my tier list. Okay, then we'll add the images after. Okay. Grab 1 minute. Okay. Now it's time for EF2. EF2 tornado. Okay, this is an EF2. It's pretty bad. Oh, that's bad, yeah. The house is obliterated. Huge tornado here. Massive. And the house is done. 125 miles per hour winds. so an EF2 can get up to 101 to 135 miles an hour. Again, I'm gonna take this next. Okay, that's an EF2. Alright, so we're gonna move to EF3. Closer and closer to the highest. So this is an EF3 tornado. It's really bad. Like way worse than EF1. Like bad. Blue rated house there. There. The wind speed gets up to 136 to 165 miles an hour. Let's do strength. Yeah, but so EF0 is a minor, EF1 moderate, EF2 strong, and EF3 is severe. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go to EF4. Yeah, I'm just gonna say it straight up. That's not good. It's never a good sign. EF4 tornadoes, you're done. You're dead. Like there's no way you're living. Get trapped in one of those unless you're unless you have the Dominator. Have Dominator 1, Dominator 2, or Dominator 3. You're screwed. You're just dead. Like you're gone. Like bye-bye. Like bye. Okay, so let me take a photo. Okay, wait, so there's this EF5 tornado I really want to do. This is like the worst one in history. So this is the El Reno tornado. It was a horrible tornado. I mean, look. House is gone, done. Yeah. Tornado, yeah. Like, it was huge. It was bad. Like, look, this car, gone. This car, gone. That car right there, gone. That school building thing, gone. That house, gone. This house, gone. Like, you're just dead. Look on the radar. It's legitimately what it was. Here, let me make up video. Okay. Wait. Clip. Okay, here. I give all respect. I give credit to Storm Chasing video. Just so I don't get demonstrations. Yeah. Show real quick. Yeah, that's the EF. Oh wait, I forgot to take my photo for the out. Oh, no. That's a fun thing to say, but I'm so tired. Let's use this one. See what the phone is. Oh no, nope, wrong app. Now get a tier list. Okay, create tier list. One. Add images. Finish. Now we're gonna start from biggest to large, small ones. I'm pretty sure. Okay. This was EF1, I think. So I'm putting it in D. No, this was EF1, this was EF2. Okay, so EF2 is going in C, because it wasn't really bad. Okay, come on, hold on. Let me just put this in S, because you're dead. I mean, there's probably another there. And then gone, like everything. So yeah, that's my ranking for now, but yeah. See you guys in the next